ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping outside to explore the world of modern terrace balcony decor. But what exactly does this mean? Modern terrace balcony decor is a design philosophy that focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and a seamless integration between your indoor living space and the outdoors. It's about stripping away the clutter and focusing on intentionality, using a mix of natural materials like wood and stone alongside sleek, industrial elements like metal and glass. This style prioritizes a neutral color palette punctuated by bold textures or greenery, creating a space that feels both sophisticated and incredibly relaxing. Investing in modern decor for your terrace or balcony offers far more than just visual appeal. One of the primary benefits is the psychological boost that comes from having a dedicated sanctuary for relaxation and mindfulness. By creating a clean, organized outdoor environment, you effectively extend your home's square footage, providing a versatile area for morning coffee, evening cocktails, or even a quiet place to work. Furthermore, modern outdoor design often incorporates low-maintenance materials and durable furniture, meaning you spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying the fresh air. A well-designed terrace can also significantly increase your property's value, as outdoor living spaces are among the most sought-after features in contemporary real estate. To achieve a high-end modern look, you should start by defining the primary function of your space. Whether it's for dining, lounging, or gardening, let that purpose dictate your layout to ensure a fluid, uncrowded feel. Use a cohesive color scheme, think grays, blacks, and whites, and then add warmth through natural wood decking or soft textiles like outdoor rugs and weather-resistant cushions. Lighting is perhaps the most critical element for looking good. Instead of a single harsh light, layer your illumination with recessed floor lights, stylish wall sconces, and perhaps some glowing orb lamps to create a magical ambience at night. Finally, remember that less is more. Choose a few statement pieces of furniture rather than many small ones, and use vertical gardening to add lushness without sacrificing valuable floor space. Selecting the right items is key to finishing the modern aesthetic. Look for streamlined furniture with slim profiles, such as powder-coated aluminum chairs or a modular sectional sofa with deep, comfortable cushions. To bring in nature, use large, geometric planters in concrete or matte black finishes to house architectural plants like snake plants, palms, or tall grasses. For comfort and style underfoot, a high-quality outdoor rug with a geometric or minimalist pattern can tie the entire look together. Other essential items include smart lighting systems that you can control from your phone, sleek glass railings to preserve your view, and perhaps a compact, modern fire pit or a minimalist water feature to act as a captivating focal point. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern terrace balcony decor ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) The Urban Sky Deck Oasis. This design features a beautiful wooden deck that overlooks a stunning city skyline. It utilizes clean-lined white planters to create a mini garden feel, while a minimalist glass-top table and wireframe chairs provide a perfect spot for dining without obstructing the panoramic views of the metropolitan architecture. 2. Contemporary multi-level balcony. In this setup, a dark metal railing adds a sophisticated industrial touch to a stone-clad home. The balcony is partitioned to include both a cozy seating area with wicker-style chairs and a functional grilling station, proving that even elevated spaces can serve as complete entertainment hubs. 3. Minimalist waterfront lounge. This terrace emphasizes a zen vibe with dark wood flooring and glowing spherical floor lamps that mimic the moon. Low-profile white ottomans offer versatile seating that keeps the view of the bay and distant skyscrapers as the main attraction, framed beautifully by a seamless glass balustrade. 4. The luxury penthouse dining room. Blurring the lines between inside and out, this expansive terrace features a large wooden dining table that mirrors the interior decor. Large potted topiary plants and deep blue accent cushions provide a rich color contrast against the gray decking, making it an ideal spot for sophisticated evening dinner parties. 5. Tropical modernism high-rise. This balcony uses lush greenery and palm fronds to create a private jungle in the sky. Neutral-toned furniture and soft textured rugs are paired with a vertical wooden slat wall, offering a warm organic backdrop that feels like a high-end resort tucked away in the city. 6. Chic rooftop bistro. A classic wooden dining set is elevated with a large modern cream umbrella and deep blue seat cushions. The space is surrounded by lush flower boxes and brick accents, creating an intimate, garden-like atmosphere that feels like a private European cafe nestled atop a bustling city building. 7. The serene white retreat. Dominated by a large, comfortable L-shaped wicker sofa and plush white cushions, this balcony is the epitome of comfort. Oversized lanterns and tall ornamental grasses in dark pots provide a sense of enclosure and privacy, turning a simple balcony into a cozy outdoor living room. 8. Mediterranean urban balcony. This design features a compact L-shaped sofa tucked into a corner, maximizing space for a small wooden coffee table. Large-leafed rubber plants provide a bold green accent against the city view, while yellow throw pillows add a sunny Mediterranean pop of color to the neutral palette. 9. The modern lawn terrace. Uniquely incorporating a patch of artificial turf, this terrace brings the feeling of a backyard to a high-rise apartment. Sleek black wicker armchairs are centered on the green space, creating a refreshing contrast against the stone tiles and the sprawling urban landscape beyond the glass railing. 10. Twilight pergola glow. This stunning design features a wooden pergola draped with climbing vines and illuminated by hanging pendant lights. A built-in bench with soft lighting underneath sits near a modern square fire pit, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that is perfect for relaxing under a purple sunset sky. Transforming your balcony into a modern terrace is about more than just buying furniture. It's about creating a lifestyle. By focusing on clean lines, intentional lighting, and a few high-quality pieces, you can turn even the smallest outdoor area into a breathtaking escape. Whether you are living in a busy city or a quiet suburb, your terrace should be a reflection of your personal style and a place where you can truly reconnect with yourself and the world around you. If you enjoyed these modern terrace ideas, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a video on how to make your home more beautiful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.